Hello everyone, this is Tammy from Tammy Colors 2, and today I have a flip through of Stained Glass Joyful Nature, adult coloring book by Sachin Sachdeva. This is the non-color by number version in the Stained Glass series, the newest version as of May 2023, which is the month that it came out. So it is a new release as of right now, and this was sent to me by Sachin to do a flip through. And here is the back cover. It's beautiful. It has a nice matte cover. I think we're all big fans of those. It is Amazon printed. It has 25 unique images. And there are a number of stained glass books in this series. It has black backed Amazon printed paper. The printing has gotten better in these. And here are the images. I have done both kinds of stained glass coloring. And the non-color by number is just as fun as the color by number. It just depends on how much you want to think about it. But they are beautiful. I love the images in this book. I have all of the stained glass books. I love stained glass coloring. And these are no exception. These images kind of put me in the mood for summer with the sea and the sun and the butterflies, tulips. Oh, the palm tree. That one's going to be pretty. They're all pretty. Mountain scene. Flamingos, of course. I love to color flamingos. Ooh, cherries. Oh, those look good. It's not quite cherry season yet. There's a goose. And that is the end of the flip through. Here is a list of all of the books. And he has quite a few, both color by number and non-color by number. There are some color test pages in the back, as per usual. I love that he puts a good number of them because I go through them sometimes. And then here is the end. Thank you for watching this flip through of Stained Glass Joyful Nature coloring book by Sachin Sachdeva. I hope you all have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. And thanks to Sachin for coming up with such a beautiful book. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.